Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech. Today we'll be discussing how we can change iPhone 7 Plus battery. The battery has swelling up. As you can see, the battery has swelling up. So today we will change the battery. So let us begin. So first of all, you have to lose the screw screw down at the bottom of the phone. After losing the two screw, you can use a razor blade to pull out the screen from the edges. So after using the blade to pull out the screen from the edges, then there you see two screws that is holding the battery and the screen. So you lose it. After losing it, you remove the clip. Okay, as you can see, so there is two screws there. You have to remove it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so that you never miss an update from me. So as you can see, be careful not to allow the screen flex to cut. Be careful with the screen. So you have to heat it to some degree, like 70 degrees, so that, sorry for the noise, it's my child, my baby boy that is disturbing. So sorry for the noise. So make sure you heat it to some certain degree, like 70 degrees, so that it will soften the glue. So after it has been heated up, you just have to use your razor blade or your tools to remove the battery from the phone. So you got a new battery here. Make sure you get a good battery like this one, the best, the grade 1, first grade. So you have to change it. You have to change it so that your battery health will be good, so that you enjoy your battery you enjoy your phone once again. Please don't forget to like and subscribe this video so that it will encourage me to do more, to show you more tips on how to change or how to repair your phone or gadgets. So, and if you like this video, you will always see an update from me. As you can see, the phone is on, so you have to allow it to boot up. The phone is on already. Phone is on. So don't forget to, the way you lose it, that is the way you are going to, where you stopped, that is where you are going to start from coupling the phone. The way you lose it, where you see any screw, you return it back to the original position. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my video so that you never miss any updates from me. Thank you. So see you in the next video.